If you're seeing errors when customers try to pay on your Shopify store, here's how to fix it. First, check abandoned checkouts and order timelines for details about the error. If you're using Shopify payments, make sure your bank account information is correct. Check Shopify's status page for any service outages. If your Shopify payments account is on hold, check your admin homepage for instructions and check the store owner's email for updates. If you're using a third-party payment gateway like PayPal or Authorize.net, verify your account credentials inside Shopify. A wrong ID or security key can cause payment failures. Also, check if the third-party provider requires extra setup steps on their own site. If everything looks right but you're still facing issues, contact your payment gateway's support team. You can do this directly from Shopify admin. Go to Settings greater than Payments, select your provider, click More Actions, and then Contact Provider. Make sure your test mode is disabled if you're ready to accept real payments.